What's good, y'all? Welcome to another video, man. And we just get into Phi Phi Island, man. So yeah, we're going now. Get the hotel. I'll tell you. Yeah, it's almost 4 p.m. I don't know what those people doing, but yeah, I just arrived, and I'm really like hungry, you know. I'm really hungry, ain't gonna lie, man. So that's where I came from, and I got one friend over there. She works in a restaurant. She's a waitress, so I will go to her work now, get some food, because I ain't gonna lie, I'm so hungry. I just ate one Snickers while I was on ferry, because I was editing videos like till the middle of the night, and I oversleep, so I had to pack really like quick, check out, and then a driver pull up in a van, and yeah, we get to like some port on Phuket, and yeah, we get there now. So I just had one Snickers. I'm not sure where is this restaurant, honestly. I'm not sure. I need to check. I think I should go there. I don't know. I'm not sure, bro. I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm tired, but excited, man. I'm tired but excited that I get there. This video will be probably like more introduction to the island, stuff like that. And oh, you're here. Hey, where is it? I'm looking for a restaurant. I'm looking for a restaurant, and where it is? That way? Ah, it's cool. I got a little vlog. I was talking about you.
Good.
I thought that I'm coming to you. So how is the day?
Yeah, good.
Good?
And you?
Very good, but I'm hungry.
Oh, you
I need to eat something.
Okay.
Your restaurant good?
Yeah.
Your restaurant good? Okay, that's perfect. Well, what you have? Thai food?
Thai food and yeah,
Everything.
pasta and everything. Yeah.
Okay. The best waitress?
The better
No, the best waitress?
restaurant. Yeah.
Waitress? Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Alright, so she picked me up actually. I didn't know. She surprised me. So see you in the restaurant. We get the food. She treated me so nice. She really treated me so nice. Tomorrow we will spend like entire day together because it's her day off. She works here in a restaurant like this. I get my food, so let's make a little review of the food, man. Amazing, bro. Amazing. It actually started raining. I'm lucky that I'm here now. Yeah, it's amazing, bro. It's really amazing. And the funny thing is, like, I told her where I booked hotel, and she live in the same place, so that's funny. And her friend from reception told her like what's my room number, stuff like that already. So it's cool. She worked till 3 a.m. So I told her like, hey, get some sleep, like we can meet like 10 or 11 a.m. It's cool and spend the entire day together. I will just extend my hotel here. Price was really good, so I'll extend my hotel. And yeah, I will stay like 2 nights here, and in 2 days I will go early morning to Krabi. So hopefully it'll be cool. And yeah, I'm grateful for her that she took care of me. I'm grateful that I can be in Phi Phi Island, get some cool meal. You feel me? And let's see what today brings, because it's still early. Just ate. Food was delicious. Ain't gonna lie. She cute. She was smiling. She was very like helpful. I probably already said that we'll see each other tomorrow. Now I'm on my way to check in to hotel, and yeah, so far I think like it's so many tourists, right? And I'm a tourist too, but I don't feel like a local vibe the same way I could feel it like in Bangkok or Phuket. So I don't see like the local thing, you know. I see like mostly tourists, but it's still cool. I'm tourist too, so like I cannot complain. I'm just saying I don't feel this like Thai vibe so far, but yeah, it's all good, man. It's all good. And yeah, let's go to hotel. Let's go to hotel. I'm in my room. It's quite cool. Just $10 for the room like this. So it's cool, all fresh. That's me. You feel me? That's me. A little shower. So yeah, I like the room. That's how it looks like outside. But now it's like raining heavily, right? But that's how it looks like now. So yeah, it's all cool. It's all cool. Yeah, unfortunately rain. I will wait like in a room for a couple minutes, maybe hours. We'll see. If it will not stop raining, like let's say after 3 hours, I will just put the raincoat and get outside exploring, because I don't wanna like waste my time. Yeah, tomorrow I see my friend, so we'll probably spend like entire day together, which is cool. I will get discount in her restaurant too, so that's really nice and I appreciate it. And yeah, I can't wait what Phi Phi Island has to offer. Like I saw the beach was beautiful, but like Phi Phi Island is not only a beach, right? Most people just go to the beach, and I understand it. I'm one of them, but I know that it has like something more to offer, and I want to explore it and see it. So I will do it. I will do it. You feel me? I don't know if you can see it, but unfortunately it's raining for the last 5 hours. I was in my hotel, but yeah, I know I said I want to explore, but like it was raining that heavily earlier that it was even no way to get out, you know, to go out. So I will leave my camera, I guess, and I will grab some food like really quick, get back here, edit video, get some sleep, and start like tomorrow early. Tomorrow so many cool activities, so I will keep it like that. I will not force anything, because if I do something today it will be forced. I never force things. I mean, sometimes I do, and I always regret it, because I know that I'm making mistakes. So actually sometimes I do, but I don't want to force anything now. Okay, you will not see anything by the window now, but yeah, it's super wet. It's raining. Raining season, baby. Yeah, so tomorrow gonna be a great day. Unfortunately today wasn't that great, but at least I'm here, Phi Phi Island. And thanks y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Give me some content recommendation in the comment, man. And stay tuned, and see you on to the next one. Ain't gonna lie to you, it's the best pizza in Thailand, that's for sure.